welcome back is Jojo and
श्रुति और आज हम यूनिफॉर्म में आए हैं ऐसा लग रहा है सेम शेड आल्सो हाउ दिस हैपेंड
I have no idea. I have no idea.
We have
Honestly,
not planned
we have
this.
not planned it.
Like
She
I'm
don't-
wearing a t-shirt. What is yours? Is yours a t-shirt?
No, it's a
ऐसा दिख नहीं रहा
dress.
है. Oh no,
It's a
yours is
dress.
it's a dress.
It's a dress.
But like same shade. Like how like that? I like it.
So
I like it.
unplanned. But it's my favorite color. Just everything is
Same.
pink.
हाँ,
So
like, and I've always shied away from pink, you know. I've always been that person. I've been like, pink सबका favorite ना, मैं pink ना. Now I finally come into pink. Like I'm saying, नहीं, I like pink. Like, you know, what's it? That's yeah.
no, I hated pink. I actually hated the word hate. I hated it when I was growing up. And then
Wow.
I like 7-10 years ago, I started warming up to it. My chair is pink. I love this pink. So now
Yes.
most things around me are this light pastel pink, which it just
Uh-huh.
calms me. My bed sheet, this, everything, my
Yeah.
bottle.
It's such a soothing color. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anywho's, we are in pink today. It's so cute. I like it. And this song, by the way, somebody, I did a poll that Bhola and I are going to do a session. So recommend.
Yes.
And once, very few like hip hop songs came up, but this
Acha.
somebody requested, and I was like, suddenly, ye kaun sa gana hai, Karma? And I was like, "Hai." And it turns out it dropped last year. I had not reacted to it. I totally missed it.
Oh.
And it's with Sez. So I was like, of course, I want to check it out because Karma and
Of
Sez
course.
together.
I'm the big boy. Yeah.
We do not want to
And
miss
like
that combo.
तेरा
हाँ.
हुआ. Okay.
It's called Tera Hua.
Okay.
हमने सुना ही नहीं है ये कर्मा का गाना. Actually, Karma का basic bars 1 and 2 also we have not. People keep
ये लिस्ट कहाँ से निकल रही है suddenly?
This is
ये
his
क्या हो रहा है?
old like people love those basic bars and मुझे इतने requests आए थे वो list पे था. We've not gotten to it. Okay, now that I remember it, maybe.
चलो अभी जाए हैं पहले तो हाँ वहाँ से शुरू करें.
Let's do this one. This one is तेरा हुआ. ठीक है. Released in May. चलो, ready?
Rest ready.
1, 2, 3, play.
सबसे बचता हुआ तुझ पे रुका था घेरा हुआ मुझको काफी न फिर भी मैं तेरा हुआ सबसे बचता हुआ तुझ पे रुका घेरा हुआ काफी ने मुझको फिर भी मैं तेरा हुआ अब दे तुझको क्या क्या हिसाब कि क्या क्या हुआ मेरे साथ कि कब कैसे टूटा ये दिल झेला कितना है दर्द छोड़ो जाने दो यार अब मिलते हैं मुझको हजार अपना बनाना ये चाह रहे लगता है डर फिर से कुर्चेंगे दिल को ये फिर देंगे दिल पे निशान इस दिल को कितनी दफा दी कितनी सजा और कितनी जगह करी कितनी वफा किससे लड़ा किस पे मरा पर आके तुझी पे रुका सबसे बचता हुआ तुझ पे रुका था घेरा हुआ मुझको काफी ने फिर भी मैं तेरा हुआ सबसे बचता हुआ तुझ पे रुका था घेरा हुआ काफी ने मुझको फिर भी मैं तेरा हुआ
Says on the beat, boy.
ये बहुत छोटा सा गाना नहीं है?
Why did it end?
It had, है ना? It had such a good vibe and that music and that flow. Like it was ये बहुत छोटा ये नाइंसाफी हुई है ना थोड़ी सी.
It's 2 minutes 15 seconds. It needs to be 4 minutes.
That's like nothing.
That was so. I don't know.
I was fully into it. इस गाने को ऐसे 6 बार सुनना पड़ेगा just to feel एक बार सुना है.
Yeah.
Like you know loop पे.
I agree. Listen.
जो you missed this song बहुत ही बदतमीज हो गई ये बात.
Why am I
बहुत
so
अच्छा
late
गाना
to
है यार.
this?
What a vibe.
This is
Yeah.
immediate loop. Like even if you listen to it and you have not played it yourself and it comes on, you're just going to be like,
Yeah.
loop it again,
Yeah.
as soon as it
Yeah.
ends. Oh my God.
And थोड़ा ऐसे कर्मा इन इमोशनल रोमांटिक जोन ज्यादा नहीं सुनने को मिलता, you know, and ये वही है, ये फुल ऑन वो वाला जोन है,
My favorite. It's my
which is why I'm
favorite.
saying एक दो वर्सेस हो जाते ना इसमें, थोड़ा मतलब लाइक एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन तो निकल सकता है ना, मई में आया था ये गाना, है ना?
मेरे जैसा नहीं is what I've been looping like since it dropped, and this now has to replace that. Or maybe I could do both on loop. This zone of his is something else. I'm sorry, but not everyone has it. It's I mean,
ये वाला तो अभी सेव होके सीधा मेरी लिसनिंग लिस्ट में जाने वाला है,
same.
आज ही सुनना शुरू हो जाएगा.
This
And for a change, I'm putting this in my emo listening list and not really like the hip hop listening list. So
Yeah.
ये feels में जा रहा है. Yes. what were you
feels
saying?
I like it.
Yeah.
You know that whole thing that he does, which kind of started
Yeah.
from the last EP and Dunya Makar and those. I was it's haunting. It's very haunting.
I agree.
That's the
agree.
word I first thought when I first heard him do it on a track. And I said it to
Yeah.
him because I just recorded Real Talk right after that.
Right,
that
right.
it's very haunting, and his voice and the way Says mixes it also, because in the end wo aise pan ho raha tha and it just sounded like his voice is surrounding your head. The
Yes.
way Says mixes it, and the
Yeah.
way Says kind of gives him this soundscape to play on, that is so the ambient thing. It just takes you into this cocoon and you want to just stay in that little bubble
Yeah.
and loop it and be in the fields. Yeah, this is one of those
And his
exactly.
voice is sounding very good. His voice is sounding
Yeah.
very musically nice. Like,
Yes.
it wasn't jarring or a little strange at any point. अरे यार थोड़ा सा मतलब. And he did not forcefully try and put random breaks of hip hop in the middle. जो एक वो
No.
होता है ना, एक
Nothing.
certain
Very
तरीके
simple.
का. हाँ, I loved that. I loved
Yeah.
that this was kept simple. Like,
Yeah.
it wasn't that simple also. But what we mean, I'm assuming even you mean by simple, is that it's just smooth flowing. It did not at any point cause these any jarring whatevers कि suddenly चलो कुछ और try करते हैं इसमें.
Yeah.
नहीं रुको, इसका एक mood है, इस mood को इसमें ही रहने दो.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It was like this. I don't think I've heard this smoother listen kind of song.
Yes.
Sorry guys, got a call, but I'm back. I was saying कि ऐसा easy smooth listen track बहुत time से नहीं सुना है, where you're just like flowing and you want to just flow with it and you want to loop it innumerable number of times. I was imagining myself cruising down the highway at one point. Then I was imagining myself just sitting in my room and chilling to this song playing on loop. It is I just wish it had 2 more verses and it was at least 4 minutes long.
I'm with you.
Because the way he's written the lines, something I don't know if the lyrics are there. I want to find them. But the way the lines have been written is another thing he was saying in Real Talk, which I remembered because you said it's simple, that it's harder to do simple songs. So when I asked him which song took the longest time, he said Lena Mera Naam, which was a sort of in the commercial space, and it released also, I think, on Sony. He said because I had to keep the lines simple there, so it took me longer to do it. Imagine, like skill level यहाँ है कि complex lyrics तो हम ऐसे ही लिख देते हैं, लेकिन so
सबका अपना अपना होता है, exactly.
Right? So he's like, so he's saying, सबसे बचता हुआ तुझ पे रुका था, घेरा हुआ मुझको काफी ने, फिर भी मैं तेरा हुआ. सबसे, and then that repeats the verse. अब दे तुझको क्या क्या हिसाब की, क्या क्या हुआ मेरे साथ, कि कब कैसे टूटा ये दिल, झेला कितना है दर्द, छोड़ो जाने दो यार. इतनी simple lines हैं.
छोड़ो जाने दो यार, जब उसने बोला फील हुआ, मेरे को भी वैसे ही फील हुआ. Like, I was like, हाँ छोड़ो यार, जाने दो, अभी क्या बात करेंगे. Like, हाँ, full feels.
Loved it. अब मिलते हैं मुझको हजार, अपना बनाना ये चारे, लगता है डर फिर से खर्चेंगे दिल को, खुरचेंगे. Again, when he said खुरचेंगे और छोड़ेंगे निशान, I was like, oof. खुरचेंगे, this word I've not heard it ever, I think. लगता है डर फिर से खुरचेंगे दिल को ये, फिर देंगे दिल पे निशान. इस दिल को कितनी दफा दी, कितनी सजा और कितनी जगह करी, कितनी वफा, किससे लड़ा, किस पे मरा, पर आके तुझ पे रुका. सबसे बचता हुआ तुझ पे रुका था, घेरा हुआ मुझको काफी ने, फिर भी मैं तेरा हुआ. It's such easy to listen to line. The flow is so easy.
Very graphic. Like,
easy.
the way he writes, it's very graphic. You can imagine the whole thing, and you go beyond imagination, you actually feel it.
Yeah.
Right from that khurcha hua, I literally felt like and then as he, so the flow of the writing is such that he builds a picture, and that picture is usually what gets you. That's the thing with his songs. Like always with his writing, that's what happens. So,
Yeah. This is this side of Karma has to be like more people need to be more aware of this side of him. Yeah, like it needs to
He
be
should
out
write more
there
songs
more.
also like this and not as a 2 minute wale. You know, thoda lamba.
Yes, yes. Come se come. We're putting a minimum time limit. It has to be 4 minutes minimum.
4:36. Why not?
हाँ ठीक है, done. 36 extra seconds. वहाँ पे रा रे रा करते रहो 36. We don't mind. We like that also. But just make it 4:36. Okay, we have decided today. Okay, nobody's gonna listen. Like,
Yeah.
okay, loved it. Thank you guys. I mean, who was it that DM'd me on the story? Whoever.
Thank you for that. हाँ,
बहुत
thank you
शुक्रिया
for that. Thanks to
because
them. सुन लिया यार.
yeah,
इतना अच्छा गाना है. हाँ.
हमें इस महीने का लूप ट्रैक मिल गया है. Thanks to you. So love it. And we'll end this here. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to say it again because lots of fresh music content gets made for that platform.
Correct.
है ना. So
And बाद के लिए मत रखना, अभी जाके follow करो because you know बाद में चीजें भूल जाती हैं. जो
Yeah.
करना है अभी करो. जो करे सो आज कर. अभी.
And Karma was on the first episode of The Drill. If you don't know what The Drill is, go now and watch it. So chalo, take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
घेरा हुआ काफी ने मुझको फिर भी मैं तेरा हुआ